I'll be adding some curry powder, some salt to taste, some garlic powder, some paprika. You can add any spice of your choice, but for me, I'm going to be using this spice because they're really nice and it tastes very well. Some black pepper to go, and I will give this a good mix. While our chicken is marinating, I'll go ahead and mix the dry ingredients. In a dry bowl, I'm going to be pouring some all-purpose flour, some corn flour, just to make sure that it comes out that crispy. Just ensure you have that crispy taste like the ones you eat in the restaurants. I'm going to be adding some curry powder, just to make sure that the chicken comes out really tasty. Some paprika, some dry pepper, and some cornflakes to give it that crunchy bite. And I'll go ahead and mix this. Set this aside.